Hi, and welcome back in Learn Python 3 with Atif Masih series.
In this lesson, we are going to discuss about Python nested function. What does it mean by nested functions? As we have learned about nested if statement and nested loops, we can use nested function. A nested function or inner function, which is simply a function defined inside the another function. And look at the example. I have created a function using def keyword, and see here I written here outer. This is the name of first loop, and inside the function I have written this statement: print hello from outer function. And inside the outer function I have created a second function, and I written here name inner function. And inner function I have written the statement hello from inner function. And then outside the inner function I call the inner function. And see here, outside the outer function I just call outer function. When I run this code, see here it return the result hello from outer function, and second is hello from inner function. Now we will discuss why we use nested function. Nested functions are able to access variables of the enclosing scope. We can say that, for example, a function have different variable, and if we access the variable from other function and outside the function, then it will return error message. And also we have learned about local and global variable. Global variables we can run within all program, but if we want to limit the scope, some function can access the variable, then we have to define these function within the function, and then we can access the variable. And see here in this example I have created a function that is called outer, and it will take first and last name as an argument. And see here inside the function I created another function that is inner, and in inner function I just combine the first name and last name. These are the arguments of outer function, and just see here I call the variable of outer function in inner function. And then outside the inner function I just call the inner function, and outside the outer function I call the outer function. And see here in outer function I have given here first name and last name, and when I run this code it return full name Atif Masih. And see here another example. In this example, see here I have created outer function that is outer, and see here it has one parameter which is x, and inside the outer function I created another variable that is y and equal to 10, and then I created second function inside the outer function, that is add, and add function return x plus y. It just take the value of outer function variable, and see here, outside the inner function I just call the function and save the value in add, and then I return the add. And when I call the outer function and I have given here 20, and see here the result. In this video we have learned about nested function. If you have any query, please let me know in comment section. And if you want to learn more about Python, please subscribe my channel and like and share my videos. And don't forget to click on bell icon so that you will get notified when I add a new video on my channel.
Stay tuned.
Thank you so
We'll
much
be
for
right
watching
back.
my video.